of maintainability, my lord, on facts. It is required, my lord. How am I aggrieved and what injury it has been caused to me, my lord? If after we are, everybody is saying we are unsuccessful. After the panel has expired, our status and their status is same. My lord, I grateful to your lord. So we stand on the same foot.
As per the vacancies, you did not come within that.
So, my lord,
Now, what is the procedure? Then there is a written test. This panel, this one for 100, 140 candidates are called. These are the 140 means the persons who applied. Oh,
and
there is
on
no
the
screening.
basis of academics and everything, thereafter the final merit list.
No, there is no screening for calling in the interview 7 except 1 is to 1.4. No, that is not the view.
My lord, probably that manner of selection, rule 7, my lord. I am reading.
Yes.
Selection to the post of teacher except physical and work. This is not, my lord. Thereafter, manner of selection. Selection to the post of teacher except physical education and work education shall be made category wise on the basis of merit weightage of state, academic and qualification and marks obtained in personality test in the manner specified in part A of schedule 3.
Personality test. So you appeared in the person.
No. Personality test is there. My lord, personality test is there. My lord, thereafter rule sub-rule 2. Selection to the post of teacher in physical education and work education shall be made on the basis of the result of the written examination. In the written examination conducted by the Central Commission. Evaluation of academic score.
There you participated in
Yes,
the
yes.
test. Then you did not come within the zone of 1:4.
Yes.
So you are not called.
I was not called. So, my lord, written examination, not only written examination, after written examination, evaluation of academic score.
Yes.
So, my lord, suppose evaluation of academic score and written examination, I got 40. Let us take a case. But on 1:4 consideration, the cutoff was 45. So I did not come with it. I was not called for the personality test.
So you are unsuccessful.
Here, my lord, on based of that, my lord, a panel was prepared. A panel was prepared, a waiting list was prepared. The panel was exhausted. All appointments were given, vacancies were exhausted. There was no vacancies. And the panel expired on 19th of December 2019. And my lord, the rule says under no circumstances the panel cannot be extended. The rule says. Thereafter, my lord, in 2022, suddenly the state or the commission framed this, my lord, 19th May 2022, creating supernumerary post. If these are new vacancies, my lord, then Rule 8 mandate that you have to call the candidates in the ratio of 1:1.4, because these are not vacancies of that selection process. By creating 19th May 2022, my lord, the state has created new vacancies, and there our right has been infringed, because by whenever you are creating new vacancies, chance has to be given to everybody. That is violation of Article 14 and 16. There we are violated, my lord. We came before this honorable court saying that first you publish our Weimar sheet, publish the panel, and if you are to create these new vacancies, you have to follow the mandate of Rule 8. Now, my lord, for your lordship's consideration, may I read Rule 8? My lord, Rule 8. Information regarding vacancies. কোন ভলিউমে আছে এটা?
Very good. Rule 8. All right. Any other
My
argument?
lord, may I place Rule 8?
You have said, we have taken down.
My lord,
You have said that if it is a new vacancy, you have to follow the procedure in Rule 8.
otherwise it is a violation of Article 14 and 16.
Right, we understood. Any
Thereafter-
other argument?
Yes, my lord. My lord, Rule 15, my lord, says validity of the panel. why I am saying placing this, my lord. Rule 16, validity of the panel. My lord, each panel and waiting list, my lord, that is very important. Each panel and waiting list shall remain valid for 1 year from the date of publication of the panel and waiting list or date of advertisement of the next recruitment process, whichever is earlier. My lord, no recruitment process has been initiated after this recruitment, this 2016. So, my lord, validity of the panel is 1 year from the date of publication of the panel. Next, notwithstanding, provided that name of candidates shall not be recommended against any post other than the post applied against any vacancy which has not been notified in terms of sub-rule 3B of Rule 8.
That is rule
8.
no. What is the substantive rule?
So
50,
substantive
16.
rule is, my lord, West Bengal.
No. Rule 16 or
Rule 16. Validity of panel. My lord, now, my lord, Rule 19. Yes, my lord. Rule 19, my lord, says carry forward of the vacancies. If any vacancies remain, then I can take it.
All right. So your contention is that this was the actual contention of yours.
Yes.
That there has been a deprivation since these rules have not been followed, and supernumerary post, if at all created, that ought to have been created in consonance with the act.
In
Very good.
consonance with the act, giving us also
An opportunity to participate.
And my lord, my fundamental point is, my lord, any recruitment has to govern by its rules. It cannot go beyond the rules. My lord, the rule says a panel
That is an argument on merit.
My lord, no, my lord, the maintainability, for going into the issue of maintainability, my lord, on facts, it is required, my lord, how am I aggrieved and what injury it has been caused to me. My lord, if after we are, everybody is saying we are unsuccessful. After the panel has expired, our status and their status is same. My lord, I grateful to you all. So we stand on the same footing. So the question that we are unsuccessful, we cannot file the writ petition is not at all tenable, my lord, because where we stand now and where they stand, we stand on the same footing, my lord. And my lord, this when on the face of the constitutional court, a point has been raised that there is corruption and there is violation of rules, my lord. If your lordship goes to the impugned order, my lord, Supreme Court on n number of occasions from 1996, from 2025, Supreme Court has said not a single appointment can be given after expiry of pen. Waiting list cannot be treated as a reserve.